Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Wherever you're tuning in from around the globe, peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the $1 Trillion Tickets broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Richards. Next up on our weekend charting bonanza, we have Apple. Currently, we just finished Tesla. Before that, we did NVDA. Before that, QQQ. And to start out the day, we did SPY. So if you want to see the charts on any of those other tickers, you can look at our live column and go ahead and click on those. But currently, we are working on Apple, the blue chip standard. All right, so let's get into it, y'all. This is the weekly chart here. I'm going to go ahead and put the all-time high up here. There we go. And as you can see, this week, Apple is up 3.7%. The week before that, 1.7%. The week before that, 2.8%. All right, so let's go on the line chart, and let's go ahead and get some of these levels. I have been keeping these episodes shorter, so you guys can just set your alerts and keep it moving. All right. They have been under 10 minutes. They have been around 7 minutes each. So I'm going to go ahead and just knock these out so y'all can set your alerts and get back to doing what it do. All right, there we go. I'm just looking for where the price have a big reaction. And we're going to set those levels. Nothing crazy, y'all. Nothing crazy. Sometimes when the levels are too flat, I'll just wait till I get to a smaller time frame to be able to put it on there. All right, so let's check out the daily. And let's find some levels. Daily level. Excuse me. All right. So we're going to do at least 3 support levels to the downside and at least 3 resistance levels to the upside. Just to make it easy. Though I did see on Twitter that the Strait of Hormuz is back closed again, so we may sell off. But it's only Saturday, so we got to the futures market opens on Sunday at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, so maybe they'll open it up by then. But yeah, that's the last thing I saw on there. All right. Let's see. Do we got another level in here? And then during the week, I do hourly levels. So if you want to day trade, my hourly levels have been hidden. I give out the hourly levels on the pre-market briefing that I give out usually between 5:45 and 6 a.m. to give you enough time before the market open at 6:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. All right. So Apple currently 270.23. For the downside support, we got 268.50, followed by 266.30, and then a weekly level here at 264.60, 262.70. To the upside resistance, we do have 271, 271.80. The highest point of the week on Friday. Friday's high and a weekly high of 272.30, 272.90, 274.20. All right, let's see if we have any smart money concepts zones. We are in a Smart Money Concepts resistance zone. So let me go ahead and put that on the chart as well, so you can keep that in mind when you're trading. The bottom of the resistance zone is actually 270.81, and the top of the Smart Money Concepts resistance zone is at 276.16. So keep that in mind. All right, let's check out the algo. Let's see if we have any other levels we can add on here. Okay, so we do got a 275. $275.05. Add that on there. And if it just go crazy, we got a 283.67, which is TP2. All right, so that's what we got. Those are our levels for Apple, y'all. Keeping these episodes short and to the point. All right. I hope you're invested in Apple. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.